Hello and welcome to this Profometer Corrosion PM8500 tutorial. Settings. On completion of this tutorial, you'll be able to change the measuring presets, the image processing data and the display features. Step 1. Click the upper right green button to open the settings panel. There are 3 different categories: measuring presets, image processing and display. Step 2. Click Measuring Mode to select Advanced Mode or Basic Mode. With the Advanced Mode, you can calculate the threshold limits of the chipping graph doing a statistic analysis of all the measured data. With the Basic Mode, the threshold limits are pre-established according to the ASTM standard or a manual selection. For that, please select Threshold Standard. If you select ASTM, the passive and corrosion threshold are -200 and -350 mV respectively as per this standard. If you want to input your own threshold values, please select Manual. You can manually input these values. Then click OK. Step 3. Click Probe Type to select the electrode you are using. You can select between rod, 1-wheel and 4-wheel electrode. Step 4. Click Half-Cell Solution to select the type of chemical solution you are using. You can select between copper, silver and mercury solution. Step 5. Click Units to change from metrical to imperial units. Step 6. The Image Processing tab is useful to shift the measured potential values. If you click Potential Shift, you can manually shift the measured potential values a fixed number. Just input the value to be shifted, then press OK. If you want to automatically calculate the potential shift that should be applied considering the ambient temperature and the type of half-cell solution, you can also do it. To do so, please enable the Auto Potential Shift feature. If you need additional information, you can click the Info button. The ambient temperature is now editable. Select the measured ambient temperature, then press OK. From now on, the measured potential will be shifted the values shown in Potential Shift. If you just want to see the real measured values, please input a 0 value in this tab. Step 7. Press the Notebook icon to access the logbook. In the logbook, you will be able to have a complete traceability of the whole measurement such as GPS location, selected settings, or steps followed during the data acquisition. You will also be able to attach pictures of the testing site, as well as audible and written comments. Now all presets have been selected and you can start creating the grid definition.